In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find gold on Bookmap. To get started, open the Bookmap application and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the platform, connect to your preferred market data provider or brokerage account. This part is important because the symbols you can access will depend on the data connection you're using. After that, give the platform a moment to load all market data completely so everything displays properly before you begin searching. Next, open the instruments or symbols search window. Click into the search bar and then type a gold-related symbol. Depending on your provider, this could be gold, GC, XAU, USD, or another variation tied to gold. When the results appear, take a second to review them carefully. Different providers may label the same market in slightly different ways, so it's worth making sure you choose the correct one. From the list, select the gold instrument you want to analyze. A common example would be gold futures, shown as GC, or spot gold, often listed as XAU/US dollar if your data feed supports it. Once you find the right instrument, double-click it or click Open to load it onto the chart. Now wait for the heat map and order book data to populate. Once the chart is active, adjust the timescale and zoom level so the view is easier to read. This helps you see both the broader structure and the finer price details more clearly. If they're not already visible, enable the order book and volume dots. These are key Bookmap tools and they make it much easier to understand what's happening in the market in real time. You can then use the price ladder to monitor current bid and ask prices. As you watch the chart, pay close attention to the heat map because brighter areas often represent high liquidity that can act like support or resistance. Also look at the volume bubbles, since they help reveal where meaningful buying or selling activity is taking place. If you want more depth in your analysis, you can add indicators or Bookmap add-ons. These can give you extra context, but the core chart tools are already very powerful on their own. Once your gold chart is set up the way you like it, save it to your workspace so you can open it quickly in future sessions. From there, continue monitoring live price action and liquidity changes as the market updates. And if needed, you can always switch to a different gold contract or symbol using the instrument search again. That's how to find and analyze gold on Bookmap using its heat map, order flow, and volume tools.